This is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this when I'm going to show you how you can set up your iPhone 16 Pro Max, 16 Pro or any other version of Apple device, including iPhone 17 Pro Max. So no matter which version of iPhone you have, you can do the same way the setup. Normally the power button of the phone is here. You have to press the power button. Click this one and hold for a few seconds. Let's see. When you'll see Apple logo, you have to leave this one. Now you will come to this option. You have to decide your language according to your country, which language you prefer. Here I put English in this case. At the moment I'm in Argentina, so I leave this one as this one. Appearance will appear, so default, medium and large. I leave this one as the default. I hit continue button. Quick setup. If you have another iPhone nearby, you can do a quick setup with that one. It's on you if you want to do or not. So all the data from older version or another version of iPhone will be in this one. You see here this option. If you hit unlock to continue, all the data from any other version, new or old, you can transfer. In this case I'm gonna do a manual setup, so I will hit here setup without another device. I click this button. After that you will see Wi-Fi. You have to connect with your Wi-Fi. Hit this one and you have to put the password of your Wi-Fi. Then you have to hit here at the corner join button. Wi-Fi is connected very fast in this iPhone 16 Pro Max. It may take a few minutes to active your iPhone. Good, lovely. You can see here data and privacy option. Hit continue button. Age range, who gonna use child, teen, adult, in this case adult. Face ID you can do now, you can do setup later. So in this case I will hit setup later. Then you have to choose a password for your phone. Decide wisely. You should not forget this one, otherwise you'll have a problem. After that you'll come to this option. It's a transfer your app or data. So you can transfer all from iCloud backup, from another iPhone if you have, from PC or Mac, also from Android device. So you can do anyway from many places in this case, but in this case I'm gonna do a brand new iPhone, a brand new setup. So here I said don't transfer anything. I hit this button. You have to put your email address of your Apple account, and if you don't have Apple account, so what you have to do, you have to hit here forget password or don't have Apple account. Tap this one, create a free Apple account. Hit this one, put the name and birth name, all that. So I'm gonna put my Apple ID, my Apple account here. After putting your Apple ID, you have to put password now. After putting your password, hit continue button. Perfect. It will send a notification code to your another device, to some of your phone number where this Apple account is connected. So you have to put the code here and it will detect. Now you see starting setup. In this case you have to hit agree. Term and condition is loading. Perfect. So we are here now. Make this your iPhone as a new. So new iPhone, hit continue button. Here setup cellular. This is a eSIM version, so you have to have a eSIM option. You see use QR code. You click there, scan the QR code for your eSIM. It will appear here, very simple. After that, if you don't have eSIM, you can hit setup later. You can do any moment you want. Skip this one for now. Apple Pay option, if you want to put your Apple Pay option, you want to put your credit card, you can do this now. If you don't want, you can hit setup later. I hit setup later. Apple Intelligence, I don't use this one, it's not so much good neither, so I hit setup later. Apple Intelligence. Camera controller button, I hit continue. Not now. Action button, continue. Emergency call. You see welcome to iPhone. You have to swipe up to get start. Lovely. iPhone 16 Pro Max. Lovely. Wow. If I open Safari here, let's see. Safari. Continue. Safari. Lovely. Camera, if I open here, cancel. Setup later. Lovely. You can see how beautiful this phone is. So this is the way you can set up your iPhone 16 Pro Max black version for the first time. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then. Bye bye.